The Applied Bank Secured Visa Gold Preferred Credit Card is aimed at people with poor or no credit who have struggled to get approved elsewhere. One standout feature is that it doesn't require a credit check for approval, making it accessible to just about anyone. It also reports to all three major credit bureaus, so with responsible use, it can help build or rebuild your credit score. The fixed APR of 9.99% is unusually low for a credit building card, and it stays the same even if you make a late payment, which can save money compared to cards that crank up the interest rate as punishment. The required security deposit starts at $200 and becomes your spending limit, with the option to deposit up to $1,000 for a higher limit. The drawbacks, however, are hard to ignore. There's a $48 annual fee, which immediately cuts into your available credit. Other fees, like foreign transaction charges, late payment penalties, and even extra costs for making payments by phone or online, can pile up. But the biggest downside is the lack of a grace period. Interest starts accruing the moment you make a purchase, even if you pay your balance in full by the due date, so using it for everyday spending can get expensive fast. There's also no rewards program, no possibility to graduate to an unsecured card, and no free credit limit increases. Many users report poor customer service and clunky payment processing, which can make managing the card frustrating. In short, the Applied Bank Secured Visa Gold Preferred works best as a last resort credit building tool for someone starting from scratch with no other approval options. Its low fixed APR is appealing, but the absence of a grace period, the upfront fees, and the lack of long-term growth potential mean it's not ideal for everyday spending or for those wanting to upgrade down the line. Used cautiously, it can help build credit, but the risks of mounting interest and fees are real.